Dear all, first of all, I would like to thank OES for the opportunity to introduce our project in this excellent forum. My name is Ramon Pons. I'm Business Development Director at Brill Pharma. In this case, Brill is a Spanish ophthalmological company based in Barcelona, and we are market leaders in the eye care segment. We are a very focused ophthalmic company. Brill started its activities in 2012, and we expect to end this 2021 with an approximate turnover of 27 million euros and with international presence in Europe, more precisely in Spain and Portugal, and as well in Southeast Asia in Malaysia, with our headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. Since the beginning of the company, Brill has been working with eye care specialists and has invested part of its earning and its turnover in R&D in order to develop new and unique products to improve the daily practice of the clinics and patients. And for this reason, today, I would like to introduce you our first project, which is the Brill corneal aesthesiometer, developed by our R&D team, and our R&D company, Brill Engines, together with the key opinion leaders and key eye care specialists for bringing the best product in the market. In this case, this is a worldwide patented product that it will be available in the market in Q4 2021 in Europe through the CE mark and in Q1 2022 in US. It will be presented in the American Academy of Ophthalmology this November in New Orleans. Now I will introduce to you our product, our project, the Brill's corneal aesthesiometer, developed by our spin-off company, as I said, so Brill Engines. So after several meetings with our advisory board of key opinion leaders in ophthalmology and more precisely on the ocular surface segment, they indicated us that there was a medical unmet need to develop a portable, non-invasive and precise corneal aesthesiometer to assess corneal sensitivity. The current products on the market are two, which are in this case the Bonnet and the Belmonte corneal aesthesiometers. And in the first case, this is a device that it contains a thin retractable nylon monofilament that it extends up to 6 centimeters in length. And you can adjust the pressure you use on the cornea, so we can assess the corneal sensitivity. On the other hand, the Monte is a non-invasive method that uses a jet of gas as the method of stimulation in order to establish the corneal sensitivity range. But after analyzing the current products, what we saw that, as I said, so it was a medical unmet need of a portable, non-invasive, and precise product, because both products had some deficiencies. In the case of the Bonnet, it's non-invasive because it used a nylon monofilament, and as well, it's not precise. On the other hand, Belmonte is a big device, so it's not portable, and it's not a simple operation since it needs a very precise and concrete specialized person to use the product. So the corneal aesthesiometer of Brill is an electromechanical device for corneal sensitivity assessment through controlled air pulses as a stimuli. It's a portable and handheld and non-invasive system with a high specification of reproducibility. Our main key features are the following. So the corneal aesthesiometer of Brill, it works with different levels of stimulation, with constant air pressure pulses in each level, and the device can be used either on the slit lamp or it can be used handheld. So the doctor can choose which is the best way for them to use the device. It contains an electronic position system consisting of a camera and 2 position LEDs, and includes a battery and a charging dock. The corneal aesthesiometer can be used in a different range of indications, or it's a useful tool in the diagnosis of different pathologies, such as herpes virus, corneal dystrophy, after refractive surgery, but after 3 months, because pre-3 months, it can be a contraindication, as we will see before, as we will see after. And as well, one of the most important things is to control diabetic patients. Corneal sensitivity has been demonstrated as one of the key parameters of the development of diabetes. So to control and assess the corneal sensitivity, it's a good tool to see the improvement or to see how the disease changes and if there is an improvement or non-improvement in the disease. As well, it can be used in patients with polyneuropathies, patients with oculoplastic surgery, and finally, the biggest group of patients, which are patients with dry eye disease. As I said, so the esthesiometer will be just only contraindicated in recent refractive surgery, which is less than 3 months, to prevent the displacement of the LASIK flap. Now, if we see the design of the corneal esthesiometer, it has been designed to be a friendly user and portable and handheld. And we have studied together with different ophthalmologists, which was the best design to be, as I said, so friendly user. The product contains the esthesiometer plus a wireless charging dock, and it includes an internal battery. So you don't have any cable on the slit lamp, and it's easy to be used and move. In front of the device, there is the camera and as well the 2 LED positioning system. It contains as well the nozzle, which delivers the constant air pressure shot, which all the front of the device, it's made of a very soft elastomeric material of medical grade, that it ensures that in the remote case that doctor touches the ocular surface with the device, we ensure that it's absolutely safe and there is not any problem of contamination or to danger this ocular surface. On the back side of the device, there is the screen where we will see the ocular surface and the eye and the 2 LEDs that it will show us when it's the best moment and when we are at the right distance to shut the constant air pressure, and as well to display the stimulus level display and the pressure display. As well, there is the level selection wheel and the on, off, and shut button. In terms of portability, the product has been designed to be used in one hand or placed on the slit lamp, so the ophthalmologist has a free hand to separate patient's eyelid in case it is necessary. So in order to assess the corneal sensitivity in all places or in all areas of the cornea. The total weight of the device is 600 grams, so it's easy to be used. It contains a specific slit lamp adapter inside the device, so it can be quite easy to use and to place on the slit lamp. As well, the product has been designed to be used in most of the current models of a slit lamp, so there is no problem to adjust the device on the current slit lamps. Finally, in terms of operations, as any equipment, so the first part is to switch on the device with the on-off button, pressing it during 2 to 3 seconds, and then select the stimulus level through the selection wheel. Then this level selected will be reflected on the stimulus level display. And on the screen, we will see the ocular surface and 2 pointing LEDs. These 2 pointing LEDs will be separated, and when they will be at the right distance, they will converge. The right shooting distance is 4 ± 2 millimeters. This is when it will converge, and the on-off button will turn green. Thanks to this, we will know that the equipment is ready to shut. Once we are ready and we want to assess the corneal sensitivity in this specific point, we just press the shooting button, that it will be green during 1 second and will give the air pressure. Finally, after shooting on the pressure display, it will tell us the exact pressure that we have shot. So we will always know that there is a reproducibility and there is a precise way that we always have given the right shot at each level. Finally, patients' feedback is the most important thing here, and it will tell us if they have felt or not the air. In the case they have feel it, it means that they have sensitivity. In case not, we need to increase the level of pressure. Finally, I just would like to thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, I'm open to discuss it and to answer. And if you have more specific questions or you would like to discuss any point further, please, you have my contact details on this slide. Thank you very much.